Today we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu Coin and the massive news that just came out. Let's get into today's video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into today's video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu coins you have, how many you want to have, and also consider leaving a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And if you guys are interested in getting some free Shiba Inu coin, then go ahead and get signed up with Public, the social investing app with the first link in the description. When you deposit $1 on the platform, you're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock, which you can then sell and then just put into Shiba Inu coin, so you can get yourself some free Shiba Inu coin with that first link in the description. Without any further ado, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. So here we are today, and we can see we are down 6%. However, we are starting to bounce back, and obviously we've been talking about that support that we have at the 60 level for a long time now. We have bounced off it about 4 times, and then we always bounce back up into the 70s. So we're getting back to a good buy area in my opinion. However, we'll never tell you when to buy or when to sell. But anyways, I think we're at an okay place right now. We're just basically waiting for a catalyst. We're going to be going over a few of those today. So yeah, if you guys are interested in that, interested in my technical analysis at the end of the video, go ahead and stick around till the end of the video. But first, we have to go over the social activity of Shiba Inu Coin, and you can see here on StockTwits, we are the 3rd most active crypto or stock on StockTwits, ahead of Jasmy Coin, which has been right behind us and has had a really good day, 26%. However, Shib Army is too strong, so we are still the 3rd most active, and then also we are the 8th most added to watch list in the last 24 hours as well. Not only that, when we come to Lunar Crush, you can see all social metrics still green, and we are getting compared to last week now, so the fact that most of this is still green is extremely good. And you can see here that the purple line, while it was down yesterday because not much news in the past couple of days, we are starting to, if you guys can see right here, cross over with the purple line above the teal line, which basically means that there's more social volume than the price is, if that makes sense. So we're starting to pick up here with the social volume. But yeah, now for an update on the whole Kraken situation. Basically, people have just been DMing them all the time, and they have sent a few different DMs. So you could see they said, "Thanks for reaching out. Community is an important part of our considerations for all listings," and the message from the Shiba Inu community was loud and clear. "There's more work for us to do as we move through our listing review process. Stay tuned to our social channels for updates." They then asked for an ETA, and they said, "Our policy is to never reveal any details until shortly before launch. All of Kraken's listed tokens are available on our website, and all of our future tokens will be announced on Kraken's blog and social media profiles. Neither we nor our client engagement specialists can answer any of the questions about which assets we may be listing in the future." So they can't answer any questions. They did already say that they're listing Shib, so it's happening. Just it's a matter of when. But they did say that it could be shortly, so that would be extremely good for the Shib army. Now we can move on to the news for today. A mysterious Shiba Inu whale has bought $750 million worth of Shib coins in the last 10 days. Now, you know what we say, whenever the whales get in, they're probably loading up for something. They probably know something. Basically, a mysterious and unidentified Shiba Inu whale purchased a staggering $750 million worth of Shib in the last 10 days. The large bag of purchase has surprised investors in the community. The whale has been steadily and religiously filling up his or her bag with humongous amounts of Shiba Inu coins since the last 10 days. Obviously, we already talked about that. So it is not known if the whale is an individual investor, a business entity, or a financial institution, maybe Robinhood. Nonetheless, the whale's identity still remains a mystery and is not confirmed. So yeah, obviously Dell Crypto reported on this, and you can see that they have a value of $750 million worth of Shib, which is absolutely massive. Now, this is always something we bring up. Does the Shiba Inu whale know something that we don't know? And this is all going to be speculation at the end of the day. I really hope they do. However, you know, we won't know until we see it. However, we have the Kraken listing coming up. We have a Robinhood listing coming up, hopefully. So hopefully they know something about one of those things that is going to be massive for Shiba Inu Coin. And I think they do, and I am personally buying more myself. But anyways, here we are on CoinMarketCap, and you can see that the global crypto market cap is sitting at about 2.72 trillion, a 0.19% decrease over the last day, so not too much. Ethereum's still doing fire. Bitcoin down 1%, Cardano up 3%, Solana up 5%. We can scroll down here and you can see Shib still sitting at that number 9 position. Dogecoin is sadly kind of closing in on that number 9 spot. Hopefully you can keep that though. But something I really like to know every time we come on, the volume is surging back up, and that is exactly what we need for Shiba Inu Coin. When we sit at about a $35 billion market cap, you need more than just $1 billion in volume in order to really move the price of the cryptocurrency. So you can see the volume up 23% to $5.5 billion. If we take a look at the historical data, yesterday it was at about $5.3 billion, and yesterday it was, I believe, as low as $3.8 billion at one point. However, this just shows like what it was at the end of the day. But the volume up 23% over the last little bit here, and as you guys can see, I hope they still haven't updated the holders since October 30th. CoinMarketCap is not on their stuff, but we are over 900,000 holders. They just haven't updated it yet. Obviously, this graph doesn't look too good, but I guess we can get into our technical analysis now. So obviously, when we kind of zoom out, things still are okay. So we have a support here at the 60 level. We've been talking about this support for a long time. It's bounced off basically 4 times off this support. So we have a very strong support here at the 60, and I told everyone, hey, we might retreat to the 60 level, sadly, and obviously we have, but we are going to bounce off this. Maybe we can see a little bit more in losses today. However, each time it has bounced back up and returned to the 70s to 76 levels. So that's exactly what I think will happen here. I think we might get a little bit closer to the 60 level. We'll bounce off, and then obviously we'll return to the 70 to 75 level. Now obviously I think we have a little bit of a resistance here at the 76 level, so that's really the most amount in gains I can see over the next day or so. Is after we bounce back off, we can possibly come up here to the 70 to 76 level, might meet some resistance and consolidate a bit more from there. But overall, the big resistance is going to be at the all-time highs at the 86, 87 level for the candlesticks anyways. However, the RSI is sitting good at the 40, and you can see the MACD is starting to trend back up right now. So overall, we're looking good here to bounce back up into those 70 levels, hopefully today or tomorrow. But yeah, that is pretty much all I have for today on Shiba Inu Coin. If you guys did get any value or entertainment out of the video, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe, and make sure you guys comment how many Shiba Inu coins you have, as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu Coin army is. We already know it's strong, but if you guys could show your strength now, this is a pretty big time, because while there's no news going on, if we can still show our strength in these times, obviously that's when we are at our best, is when the news is at its weakest. Was that deep? I don't know. Anyways, make sure you guys get your free stock from Public with the first link in the description. You can then just sell that and then buy some Shiba Inu Coin if you're interested, or just keep the money, whatever you want to do with it. But yeah, that is going to be it for today. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.